Fuel your brain. Nourishing brain-boosting foods. Our brains need proper nourishment to stay sharp and focused in today's fast-paced world. Let's delve into some of the most potent brain-boosting foods. First up, fatty fish like salmon and sardines. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for keeping your brain in optimal shape. Next, we have blueberries, known for their antioxidants that help maintain memory and fend off brain aging. Then, there's turmeric, containing curcumin, which fights inflammation and supports overall brain health. Broccoli comes next, packing a punch with antioxidants and vitamin K. These nutrients help protect brain cells and maintain cognitive function. Pumpkin seeds are another winner, rich in antioxidants, iron, zinc, and magnesium, all essential for a healthy brain. And don't forget dark chocolate, which contains flavonoids and caffeine to boost focus and mood. Nuts like walnuts, almonds, and hazelnuts are great for your brain too. They're full of antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamin E. Oranges provide vitamin C that supports brain health and staves off cognitive decline. Eggs are a powerhouse of B vitamins, folate, and choline, all vital for brain function. Green tea provides a gentle boost with its caffeine and L-theanine combo. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, promoting good blood flow to the brain. Meanwhile, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale offer a variety of vitamins and minerals crucial for brain health. Beets are great for boosting blood flow to the brain thanks to their nitrates. Whole grains like oats and quinoa provide a consistent energy supply for optimal brain function. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, helping to improve memory and cognitive function. Olive oil, with its abundance of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, supports cognitive function and reduces the risk of cognitive decline. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, supporting brain health and function. Tomatoes contain lycopene, an antioxidant that protects against free radical damage in the brain. Soybeans are another good source of essential fatty acids and isoflavones, which are important for brain health. And lastly, rosemary contains carnosic acid, which may help protect the brain from neurodegeneration. Incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your diet can help support cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. Remember to maintain a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you have found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others.